What's up, Dreamedia family? This is Zach and Kellen. We're out here at AXPONA 2024 exhibiting with our good friends from Fidelity Imports. And today we are going to be premiering the world premiere of the Perlisten 18. What's the exact model?
It's the R18s. This will be going worldwide April 12th. So tomorrow this will be live on our site. If you are interested in pre-ordering, you can give us a call today. As you can see, we're already a little ambitious and get this thing going and forgot to hit record. But yeah, this is going to be brand new for Perlisten. They have 3 new subs that are coming out tomorrow, April 12th, 2024. That is the R10S. It's a 10-inch sealed sub, a 15-inch sub, R15S, a sealed 15-inch sub. And then what we have here today is we're going to have dual R18Ss. So they're new 18-inch sub, $49.99, so $5,000 for an 18-inch Perlisten sub. It's pretty crazy. So can't wait to get these things hooked up, give you some feedback. But let's get this thing out of here.
Yeah, man. All right, let's pull it off. Man, I just remember last year at CEDIA, there was a private showing of these puppies, and they were kind of sampling the market to see what we thought. And I posted a couple pictures online, and you guys were all just losing your mind. And I didn't get to hear them. They were just kind of aesthetics. You know, they were picking our brain to see if we thought it would perform well in the market. And obviously, everybody's feedback was tremendous. So they now have them available. Like Kellen said, they'll be shipping tomorrow. Yeah. So head over to our website, guys.
And in the box, this is an unboxing. Don't really want to skip out on anything. So of course, you're going to get your usual suspects. You're going to have power cords for the European market as well as the US market. We're going to throw that back in there. Your usual documentation, your congratulations, your thank you from Perlisten on buying a speaker. You know, we would appreciate that as well if you're buying from us. And then of course, the Mickey Mouse gloves to get this thing out of here. We're gonna skip on the gloves today because it is gonna take both of us. We're gonna leave the gloves and the power cord out for this sub. Again, all Perlisten speakers kind of come in these really nice sacks. We're going to go ahead and
roll it out.
Roll it over.
Be real careful as you're flipping it.
Yep.
And there we go. Beautiful. Whew, that was a beast. Man, $5 grand? What a deal. Can't wait to hear this thing. You know the frequency response, Kellen?
I don't know too many specs. Again, barely was able to get the price. But we'll have all the specs, all the pricing, all the details in a more in-depth review video, but it'll also, the customer or the manufacturer cut sheet for the specs will be on our website.
Perfect. Let's take a look at this thing, man. Kind of just give a quick run through on what we can see. It's sealed, 18-inch. It's a carbon fiber woofer, right?
No,
Textream?
On the R series, it is actually the hybrid glass, like fiberglass type of woofer.
Okay, on the back here you can see we do have our service trigger. We have output and input XLR and RCA, power, and your power switch.
So pretty basic what you'd normally see, but you are getting the DSP in this subwoofer as well. So I really want to point that out, that they're not skipping on really any of the components here. It falls in line with the R series, same materials on the woofers, same construction on the box. There is a different finish that I will point out, I believe because of the cabinet size overall. Their paint machines can't do the gloss paints. I believe that's the story behind that. So this is a flat black, which I personally like
better for a theater. Yeah.
Cuts down on some of the reflections and things. But man, this thing is kind of want these for my room now. Instead of what I got in there now, I think these would be a killer option.
Oh man, and what I love about Perlisten too is the aesthetic. Like they make beautiful speakers.
Yeah.
Footprint's small as well.
Yeah, I was gonna say these could easily be built into a baffle wall, no problem. I mean, they're really not that deep. Again, we'll have specs on our site, but I mean, if I had to guess, it's maybe 18, 20 inches deep.
Not bad at all. I have some SVS 16 Ultras, the PBs. They're twice this size.
They're probably a little shorter, but yeah, they're...
No, it's a little taller and about twice the size.
With the ports.
Yeah, the PBs. All right, guys, well, we got to keep it moving out here. We're going to be exhibiting the whole weekend here at the Renaissance Convention Center here in Schaumburg.
AXPONA.
AXPONA, yeah, AXPONA 2024. We'd love to meet you guys if you can make it out. But that's a wrap today on the unboxing video of this brand new 18. If you guys would like to purchase, reach out today and show your support. Dreamedia is nationwide, and we'd love the opportunity to earn your business. Till next time, this is Zach and Kellen with Dreamedia Home Theater. Thank you for watching.
We can post that.